Introducing the complete robot learning pipeline. Start with teleoperation. Control the robot. Record every movement. Every demonstration becomes an episode. Indexed. Searchable.
AI power annotation. Some segments.
GroundingDINO detects. You verify. Data quality scoring. Coverage. Consistency. Balance. Choose your algorithm.
Act.
Diffusion policy. OpenVLA. Watch the learning curve climb. 50 demos. 90% success. Every model versioned. Every lineage traced. Deploy to 1 robot or 100. The pipeline handles the rest.